right off the bat, it needs a female adapter and a cleanout plug. I'll take a look up under this villa. Oh, there's a break. Man, it looks solid on the outside. I don't know what's going on there, but there's definitely a break. It needs to be investigated. Let me go locate that. Alright, so we got that located. We painted a green X in a circle. I'm going to try and find a green flag. Put it on there as well. Boy, it sure looks like a break to me. Yeah, I would definitely dig that up and look at it. They may have put some kind of repair on the outside, but I would confirm that. That just might be compacted sand, because there's a lot of sand here. There's a lot of compacted sand.